For all my people who's going to be snowed in soon, this one's for you. This winter, we are going to be feeding our bodies a wealth of healthy vitamins and nutrients, okay? Take a look. Water, a whole entire pack of chicken, a little bit of chicken broth, throw it in a pot, get it hot. We're going to add our green beans. All of this is fresh, picked from the produce aisle, very healthy, okay? Get them carrots together. Get them together, slice them, dice them, clean them, all of that, okay? And then pour them in your pot. Celery. And if you want to know all the nutrients and vitamins in all of this concoction here, just Google it. Of course, our corn, honey. We need to be a little thick too. Tomatoes. Stir it all up, and this is what you got. I love the whole chicken in there like that because it lets the chicken fall off the bone. Potatoes. We all love potatoes. Stir it up. I like to stir mine from the bottom to the top. And all the seasonings that you need. Okay, we do not want our soup to be bland. Leave that over there. Please add as much as you see fit. Don't be shy, okay? So 2 hours later, I am going to enjoy some bubbly and put some soup in my cup, honey. Doesn't it look good? This soup was amazing. You guys, I was eating on this for about 3 days. It was amazing. Like, I outdid myself with the soup. But yes, hopefully you love this video. If you loved it, subscribe. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. This meal only cost about $35. And I think it was a little bit expensive because I shopped in the produce aisle mostly. Thank y'all. I'm gonna be drunk as shit.